Looking for the most tactile switches that deliver a satisfying typing experience? Holy Panda switches have earned their legendary status by combining the best features from two iconic designs. With stems from Halo switches and housings from Invyr Panda switches, these switches offer a tactile feel that's hard to beat. What sets Holy Panda switches apart is their unique construction. The polycarbonate top housing paired with a nylon bottom housing creates a snappy, responsive bump that feels consistent from the initial press all the way to bottoming out. This design ensures every keystroke is both precise and enjoyable. If you're building or upgrading a keyboard, compatibility is key. Holy Panda switches fit perfectly with plate-mounted Cherry-style PCBs and are ideal for hot swap compatible kits like the Drop Alt, Control, Shift, ENTR, Carina, Planck, and Preonic. That means you can customize your setup without hassle or soldering. Each switch features a 67-gram spring, MX-compatible stems in a distinctive salmon color, and supports both SMD and through-hole per switch LEDs. They come unlubed from the factory, giving you the option to customize the feel and sound if you want to fine-tune your typing experience. Users across the United States praise Holy Panda switches for their excellent tactile feedback. One reviewer compared them to other popular tactile switches like Glorious Panda and Purple Panda, noting that Holy Pandas offer a more consistent bump throughout the keypress, making them a favorite for serious typists. What you get with Holy Panda switches is a reliable, high-quality tactile experience that balances sound and feel without needing extra modifications. They deliver crisp feedback that keeps you typing accurately and comfortably, whether for work or gaming. If you're ready to upgrade your keyboard with switches that combine precision, durability, and a satisfying tactile response, Holy Panda switches are worth a look. They fit a wide range of popular keyboard kits, making them a versatile choice for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Try Holy Panda switches when you're ready to feel the difference in every keystroke. Their unique blend of materials and design delivers a typing experience that stands out in the crowded switch market. Elevate your keyboard setup with Holy Pandas and enjoy a tactile sensation that truly matters.